security and infrastructure teams are holding more together than ever before, managing growing certificate environments through constant vigilance, workarounds, and partial automation. But certificate volumes keep growing, and certificate lifespans are shrinking toward 47 days. What worked before is becoming impossible to sustain, because it only takes one missed certificate to bring critical systems to a halt. The challenge isn't your team, it's that manual certificate management can no longer keep up. Sectigo automates certificate lifecycle management across your entire environment, discovering certificates, automating renewals, and orchestrating the entire life cycle. One place to see every certificate, one place to stay in control. Reduce operational strain, stay ahead of risk, and keep digital trust running automatically. Sectigo, a more scalable way to manage digital certificates.